Well, if you were here a few days ago, you know that I had a total failure with Liquitex Slow-Dri Blending Medium, and previously I hadn't had a problem. So I've tried it once before that, and gave me enough confidence to try it on camera because it went really well, and I was raving about it on my blog. And then I tried it again, and total disaster. So today I'm going to use this stuff. I'm going to make my own. In oil paint there's a lot of products called like Bill Alexander product, Magic White. I think Bob Ross called it Liquid White. Let's see. Who else do we have? A lot of them. Wilson Bickford calls it Fast Flow White. What I'm going to do is make a, we'll call it Incredible White. We're going to mix together some white paint and some blending medium. And like I said, there's no instructions for this stuff anywhere, as far as I can find. So I'm just going to mix the two together, and we'll see what happens here. Mix it up, mix it up. I'm not going to mix it into any of the other paints, just the white. Let's see if I got enough of this here. I don't think I have enough of this, but we'll see. Okay. Alright, where's my brush? Okay, I'm having an evening where everything is going wrong. Here's the brush. Ta-da. Okay, so first we're going to put this on. I'm going to add a little bit of medium to it. This is Jerry's Studio Acrylic Medium and Varnish, just to loosen it up a little bit, because usually these liquid whites are very, very slippery. Okay. And thin. Yeah, that's better. Still kind of globby, but that's okay. Alright, and we are going to cover that much of the canvas. Alright. Alright, this is the only really, well, maybe I do have another nylon brush that's this big, but I can't find it right now, so I'm going to have to wash this, so I'll pause you for a second, and then I'll come back. Because last time I didn't pause, and that was another problem I had. I didn't wash the brush. There's another artist on YouTube, and I'm sorry, Clive Powell, who also has his own blending medium like this. That's slow drying. Okay, let's look for the pause button, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, I'm back. Now, that's our white, we'll put that aside. I'm going to switch to ultramarine blue red shade today. And yes, if you do shop at Hobby Lobby, they do no longer have the artist grade, artist grade Liquitex. They just have Liquitex Basics, which is okay because Liquitex Basics is almost as good as a lot of other brands' artist grade stuff. Let's put a little bit of medium into the bowl here. There we go. Alright. Now, I don't think we're going to need it though. Okay, it's still going to be streaky, but that's okay. What I'm painting on is a loose piece of canvas. I prefer that lately. I just tape it down to a board. And the reason I prefer it is a lack of storage space where I am currently. You can store hundreds of paintings on a little loose piece of canvas, but not so many on mounted canvas. Okay, let's put some more dark paint at the top. Yeah, this is working out better than it did the last time. There we go. And I never do like a totally flawlessly blue sky, so this is okay for me. Just make sure I'm not lifting the brush off at the wrong point, because that could get ugly. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot more cooperative this time than it was the last time. We'll keep darkening the top. Alright, now, in case you're wondering what this thing is, this is a waffle cone holder. I got it at the dollar store. It's perfect for soaking your paintbrushes during an acrylic painting session so they don't turn into rocks. Alright, so we're going to go to the second color, which is magenta. Where is that? Quinacridone magenta. This one's from Daniel Smith. And again, like I was saying last time, never be afraid to mix different brands of acrylic paints together. There is no sin in it. I know there are people preaching about this, at least one person on YouTube who is a paint scientist employed by a company, and has since come out with his own paints, and just claims you cannot mix paints, different acrylic paints. You can. They just, if they have any unique qualities that they advertise, they'll probably lose it. That's what's going to happen. But other than that, there's never usually a problem. I am finding out in paint pouring that most acrylic paints don't work very well with that technique. They will not form, well, this is working much better. They will not form cells and blah blah blah. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's look for a third brush, because I'm too lazy to go and wash again. What's this one? Oh, what's this one here? Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, now our third color is going to be, how you doing, Six? Yeah, Six got an uncomfortable tummy right now. Alright, yeah, his dinner didn't agree with him. Alright, yeah, he says I'm going to go lay down. Okay. Oh, hold on a second. Sorry about that. The sound effects were unintentional. He ate something tonight that was too rich for him. He's an elderly cat, so it's really my fault. But I thought I'd treat him, and now he's sick. Okay. You can really only have senior food from here on out. Alright, and this is primary yellow from Golden. And I'm putting on the bottom here. There we go. Okay. This is as far as we're going to go with this little film here. Not going into the blue with that yellow. No, I'm not taking the bait. yeah, I just wanted to get the basic sky down tonight. Let's get more yellow here. I'm not going to try to put a sun in, although I know with wet on wet you can do that. I just don't feel up to it right now. There we go. Oops, now I got two. There we go. Okay. Well, let's put the sun a little off center. How about, would that look weird though? Let's do this. Just a half sphere here. Yeah. Since I've got all that white mixed up. What the heck? Okay. Come on. Okay. There. Okay. Alright, so that's as far as we're going tonight. Let's hope these level off. Could do this, because that's going to have white in it. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Yeah. Alright. There we go. Alright. Kind of smooth that out a little bit. This is the same canvas I used the other day. Alright. I just went over it with some indigo to blank out my woes from the other day. Yeah, this is going much better today. Okay. Could add some of this white in here. And then I got a little bit of pink in there. That's what I get for being lazy. Let's get more yellow. Okay. Alright. This ain't a work of art, but it's going a lot better than it did the other day. A whole lot better. Okay. There. What I can do is kind of, there. Do that. What is she doing? I can hear you. I don't know. Okay. Alright. Okay, that is the beginning of our sunset. Ta-da! Okay. And let's just... Okay. Now, before we leave, I'm going to try to get that blue a little bluer up on top, because I'm not happy with that. Okay. More blue up on top here. Yeah. I need that to stick a little bit better. Alright. is you always want the top of the sky to be darker, at least when you're a beginner. When you get into it more, then you can do whatever you want. And you always want the corners to be a little bit darker. Okay. Yay. No lifting. So I guess the way to use this medium is to turn it into a magic white or liquid white or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Okay, and we'll let that dry and we'll come back and finish it off. Might not be until Monday. This is Saturday as I'm talking to you right now. There we go. You can run a little bit of blue into the red there, but you can't run it into the yellow. Don't do that. You'll be unhappy. Alright, and I'm getting... Wow, okay. I'm getting paint all over my pants. Alright, and this is one of my last good pairs of jeans here. Alright. I never think to change my clothes before I start painting. And a lot of my clothes have seen better days because of it. Alright, here we go. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. There we go. Okay, I can do the sun later. That's fine. We'll just work some white in around where it's supposed to be. There we go. Now I'm getting a little bit of a weird surface, but no lifting. So I'm guessing that's different drying rates of the paint, because not all of it has that medium mixed into it. Okay. There. Alright. Alright, just get this nice and flat. Okay. That's okay. That's acceptable. I'm not upset with it. Alright, so this is as far as we're going tonight, and I will see you in a while and finish the painting. See you later.